Hey everybody! In this video we're going to talk about domain and range from ordered pairs. So what is the domain and the range? The domain in a relationship is the x values that occur and a range are the y values that occur. So what is, given we have this relation T, find the domain and the range. And it says to write your answer in set notation. Set notation is when we use these brackets to say this is everything we're including in the domain. So what are our x values in the domain? -5, -3, 1, 7, and 8. So what we do is we write them out. -5, -3, 1, 7, and 8. Okay, what about our y values? Let's go ahead and put our range in pink. Our y values are 20, 14, 2, -16, and -19. So 20, 14, 2, -16, and -19. So that would be the range. Now let's say, just for fun, that we had another point here. Let's say we have -5, -16. Added on, so it would look like this. Added on to our set. Well, -5 is repeated in the x direction, so we wouldn't include that there. And -16 is repeated from here in the y's. So if we instead had -16 and -5, then we would have to add -5 onto the range, and then we would have -16 added onto the range. Okay. Now, of course, we wanted to write it all out correctly. If we were including these 2 points, we would include everything in the same bracket. So that is domain and range from ordered pairs.